Hi there, you actually get to see me this time. So what I thought I'd do on this video is just actually go through the colours that I'm actually using in this next one. So the first colour, you see me write them down, I usually do this to music. So the first colour that I'm using is this little piggy. Whoop, let me do that with that hand. This little piggy, it's a pigment powder and it's called Grenache, one of the favourite ones, Grenache. Okay, the second colour that I'm layering is an acrylic and it's yellow orange. Okay, and I mix all of these up with my own pouring medium. The pouring medium recipe, how to mix everything, is in the description below. Okay, the next colour on top of the orange that I'm... Oh, sorry. So, you'll see me put down the white pillow base. The first colour I smother the white pillow base is an acrylic black. What is it? Mars black. So it's just a creative place. I think I get this one from Aldi, actually. It's only one of them cheap ones. So that's the bottom piece that I put on. Okay, so I've gone through the others. On top of the orange, I put this one, which is Pearl-Ex Brilliant Yellow. It's a pigment powder. Okay, the next one I put on is, when you see me write down TLP, it's this little piggy. Okay, and that's called Harvest Gold. The next one at the top, you'll see me put down again, it's this little piggy, and this one's called Sapphire. They're very shimmery, these ones. And then the last colour I put on is again this little piggy, and this one's called Lakeside. So you can see they're powders. Shake, and I mix them up, wet them down. Now, what creates the cells on top, gosh, I use all sorts of tools, and so you see me pouring on. This is just one of them. It's a big one, because the piece that I'm doing is 50 or 60 by 45, I think, centimetres canvas. Okay, now the cell, what we call the cell activator, when you see me put the cell activator on, okay, I use Amsterdam acrylic and I mix it up with Floetrol, and it is carbon black, I think, but I'll write it all, you'll see me write it down. So that is what I use. Ooh, those lights are bright, aren't they? That's what I use when you see me putting down cell activator. Okay, so that's it. Welcome to my studio. There's some of my art pieces in the background hanging, and this is where I do the classes. This is where all the filming's done. And so I'm going to take you now with some great music, and you can see, and I speed it up, and you can see me doing this next piece. Do you like me putting the face to the art? Okay, see you next time.
eyes blurry, but I couldn't see that. Then he cleared down. Start to feel like I'm on one. Settle in, I'll be here for the long run. I'm a slave for the cash, got snakes in the grass, no brakes on the ad, but it's all fun. We done seen it all, heard it all. Heard enough, give me space before I murder y'all. 10 bad here, I'ma curve them all. 12 missed calls and I still made a curtain call. Here to light it up, lighten up. Hear him talking, they ain't right enough, tighten up. Everything that I came for, I left with. I don't bang sets, I just bang on the set list. Going past supper when I came for the breakfast. Put me in your prayers, I might put you on the guest list. Young, tell me reckless. Gold in my soul, got the same on my necklace.
Light it up, light it up. Light it up, light it up. Well, well. Oh, light it up, light it up. Light it up, light it up. Well, well.
I never switch sides, like even when I die, I'ma ride for the squad. Let her ties in the hearse. I've been on the vibe, kinda hard to describe. I'm in between, I'm good and it's fine, but I'm tired of the grind. Then I come alive in the night to realize I'm in the middle of the time of my life. I'm never so packed for the stack, never lied on the rap. Got a bag from the way that I write it. Queen looking Tyson, do that ass survive, doing 80 to the house. Then I hit it to the sky change. Haters on a tirade, talking to their grip in the face, be still, let that hate stuff fade. We all want the same, we all want a meal in the safe. I wanna live like I'm trying to reach enlightenment. Trail spill from my lips, feel big from the bip. Take a sip till I pass out. Try and get grit, but it don't make sense, cause you can lose life on this fast route. Yeah, turn thoughts to a cash cow. I might flip that to the glass house. I don't need the accolades, I'm in love with the chase. I just wanna eat, save a spot at the table. Beast with the slap, pin myself on the map. You long with the wind, but we knowing that it's cap. 5-hour flights, couple nights at the flat. To be real, couldn't see me making moves while I'm at. I'm still on the grind, limit time when I chat. I'm burning down sage, keep the demons away. When I write it, give a piece of myself to the page. I don't do it for the praise, love, that's just how I'm
See the
made.
truth in the glass in the mirror.
Yeah.
Do it at me, old man, tryna pass in the fear. You're the first one to talk, but the last one to hear. Eyes blurry, but I couldn't see that. Then he cleared down. Start to feel like I'm on one. Settle in, I'll be here for the long run. I'm a slave for the cash, got snakes in the grass, no brakes on the ad, but it's all fun. We done seen it all, heard it all. Heard enough, give me space before I murder y'all. 10 bad here, I'ma curve them all. 12 missed calls and I still made a curtain call. Here to light it up, lighten up. Hear him talking, they ain't right enough, tighten up. Everything that I came for, I left with. I don't bang sets, I just bang on the set list. Going past supper when I came for the breakfast. Put me in your prayers, I might put you on the guest list. Young, tell me reckless. Gold in my soul, got the same on my necklace.
Light it up, light it up.